Hello everyone, welcome to another puzzle where we have been given some lengths and areas and we have to find this length of yellow rectangle. Now looking at the puzzle, we have been given some lengths and some areas and our task is to find this length of the yellow rectangle. You can pause this video and try to come up with the answer. If not, then we'll solve it together. Hope you were able to get the answer. Let's try and solve this one together. So looking at the yellow rectangle, I have been given its area and I have been asked to find the length of one of the sides. Now, if you know the formula of the area of rectangle, it is the multiplication of the length of two sides. So this side multiplied by this side will give us the area. So if we are able to somehow get the length of this side, then we can simply divide 44 by this side and then we can get the other length as well, right? Because area is height times width, and since we have been given the area and if we can calculate the height as well, we can simply calculate the width as area divided by height, right? So let us try and get the length of this side. Now here we can see that we have been provided some gap values. So this gap here is 2 centimeter long and this gap here is 3 centimeter long. So we can say that this whole gap is 5 centimeter long, right? We can just skip this light green colored rectangle entirely as we do not need this for this puzzle because we have this height which is 5 centimeter and we can calculate this particular height which will give us the total height. So for this dark green rectangle, we can write that area which is 24 square centimeter is its height times width, and width is 4 centimeter as given here. So we can calculate height to be 24 by 4, that is 6 centimeter. So we know that this height is 6 centimeter. Now combine that with our previously given 3 and 2 centimeters. So we can say that this whole height 6 plus 3 plus 2 is 11 centimeters, right? So now we can easily calculate this width of the yellow rectangle. We know that area is height times width. Area has been provided to us as 44 square centimeter. Height we just calculated as 11 centimeter and width is to be calculated. So we can easily calculate width to be 44 by 11, that is 4 centimeter. And this is our final answer. Hope you liked it.